Morning team, it's Thursday, November 10. We got pretty decent news today. CPI. This is a strong one. Everybody's looking at this. So I want to start the analysis from weekly this time because I saw something interesting. Right now weekly looks like a raid. It is a raid, indeed. And also there is this almost flat bottom that I think is gonna pay the price. I always mark out flat tops and bottoms because means missed manipulation, so they act as a magnet. To be honest, I don't know if we go straight down or something, but at some point we're gonna come back here, in my opinion. Anyway, daily is interesting too, because yesterday, basically, we just kind of chopped around and we closed the day as an inside day candle. What does it mean? That we didn't take the low or the high of previous day. I studied this strategy a few years ago from Dante. I don't know if he invented or he just posted on Twitter, whatever. Anyway, if we manage to sweep one of the two sides of the previous candle and close strongly again between the range, it means that usually continuation is on the other side of the range. So if we sweep the low, maybe we're going higher. If we sweep high, maybe we're going to go lower. Anyway, was just like a little consideration. Daily still not bearish. I mean, yes, this is a bearish candle, but I still don't see like too much bearishness on daily so far. As I said yesterday, this raid is not like super convincing to my eyes. H12, we are back into support. As we said yesterday, this order block should act as support. Indeed, right now looks like it's holding. It's forming a swing low. Well, there is still 5 hours to close the candle, but yeah, the pullback was cold, and right now we are at support, so still nothing too significant here. H4, there is a well, as we say, this H4 held yesterday, the intersection between the breaker and this inside candle, and now we got support from another H4 bullish order block. Again, looks like it's holding up, so I know that on low time frame looks a little bit bearish, but I don't feel comfortable to short right now. I want to see what they want to do. I don't know, maybe they chop around until CPI and then they make the real move, but we're gonna see later. H1, same thing, doesn't change much. We're bouncing off H1 order block, bullish order block, and right now it's going higher. Well, we are approaching a bearish H1. So yeah, this is actually a key order block. This is not valid anymore, so if retested should give up. This is a key order block right now. If we break this, I think we're going to go for these highs because this is liquidity, no doubt. Also, there's building like a little bit of trend line here, so it's a key point here, key area. If you let's go to low time frame. I'm going to explain you something. Let us see. So as we say, this is liquidity, and also I think yeah, look at this. This is looking a little bit embarrassing. This is liquidity too. I mean, this is a smaller liquidity than those highs, you know. And here there is a big liquidity void, fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. And right now we are printing higher high and higher lows. Okay, technically it's a pullback, a bearish pullback. Pullback higher, maybe can continue lower. What I know that during the news, this type of big news like FOMC, NFP, CPI, ECB, usually what they like to do is raid one of the sides of the ranges and then going to the other side, like the AMD. So I don't know. If you ask me if we're going higher, take this side, then maybe we continue lower. If instead we're going lower, I don't know, if they manage to hold like this bearish order block and we do something like this, then maybe we go higher. So these are the two scenarios. I know it sounds silly because you say like it's bearish and bullish. Yes, it is. Whatever gets taken first, I think we go to the other side. So as we said here, is like a big resistance now. I mean, yeah, I can see that. I clearly can see something like this. We slowly grinding up, news, big shenanigan, come back and go with that down. Or else the opposite. Or something like this. These are the block holds, we're going down, we value gap, something like this, and then we're going higher to this liquidity. So one of the two. I hope to get my trade done in London Open and call the day, but who knows. Let's see what happens when we approach this bearish of the block. Anyways, enough for me today. Tomorrow we speak again. Have a nice day.